What is your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue. What's yours?
My favorite color is green. I think it's so fresh and reminds me of nature. What animal do you like the most?
I love dolphins. They are so playful. What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a police officer because I want to help people. What's your favorite food?
I really like pizza. How about you?
I like burger. What's your favorite game to play?
I love playing tag. It's so much fun to run around. Do you have a favorite book?
Yes, I love The Very Hungry Caterpillar. It's such a fun story. What's your favorite thing to do outside?
I like to ride my bike and play in the park. What about you?
I like to play cricket. What's your favorite movie?
I love watching Toy Story. It makes me laugh.
I think that's 41A bus. Let's go.
Okay.